Hi, my name is Arun Tyagi. I am the Head of Account Management and Growth at Zaggle, India. I've come back to school almost after almost 20 years now, so it's been pretty exciting and thrilling as well. Has brought in a lot of memories back as well, going through the campus, meeting the faculties, spending time with the peers as well, learning some of the older and also the new tactics of the business. So I think it's been pretty exciting and fun, yeah. You know what? It's a new way of applying things. I think we've been very predominant and premeditative in the things, in the way that we've addressed problems and challenges in our professional and personal lives, which seems to be changing. I think with the tools that we're picking up on a daily basis, with new processes and methodologies that we are learning, applying them on a daily basis, I think is certainly a change of perspective. So it's new, it's interesting, and it's exciting as well. I am quite enjoying the way we're doing things at this moment, and I think I would want to capitalize on it as I go. Yeah. Like I said, I'm kind of aching to come back to the campus again. Maybe go for a run, play a little bit of cricket with some of the guys here. But also the classroom sessions. I think the interactions with the faculties, interactions with some of the other folks, with other students, have been quite interesting. Like I said, it's been bringing some old memories back of the time that I didn't want to study. And here we are 20 years later, where all we can think about is how do we study, pick up more, consume more, and apply that on a daily basis in our lives and everywhere else. So, yeah.